Hello dear students, welcome to ECE Academy Benefactor. In this class we will be understanding about NAND gate as an universal gate. How the NAND gate can be used for NOT function, AND function, OR function and NOR function. So as you know, universal gates are of two types, NAND gate and NOR gate. NAND gate and NOR gate are known as universal gates because using them we can design AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. The basic functions or basic gates can be designed by using either NAND gate or NOR gate. In this class we will be seeing how the NAND gate can be used to generate NOT function, AND function, OR function and NOR function. So NOT, AND and OR, these three are basic gates, basic functions. So first, before going into detail about how the NAND gate can be used as a NOT function, AND function, OR function and NOR function, let us draw the NAND gate symbol. This is a NAND gate symbol having the inputs A and B, output is variable Y. The expression for NAND gate is A dot B the whole bar. This is the expression for the NAND gate. Coming to the truth table of NAND gate, input and output. This is a 2-input NAND gate. So the inputs, let us take the inputs as A and B and the output variable as Y. So when you are having two input variables, we can have four possible combinations: 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. Okay, so how to write? Here variables are, two variables are there. So how many possible combinations? 2 to the power n, that is 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4 possible combinations: 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. What is expression for Y? Y is equal to A dot B the whole bar. Y is equal to A dot B the whole bar. So let us take when the inputs are 0 0. When the inputs are 0 0, output will be 0 dot 0 the whole bar is equal to 0 bar is equal to 1. So when the inputs are 0 0, the output Y is 1. When the input is 1 is 0, other is 1. 0 dot 1 the whole bar, 0 dot 1 is 0. 0 bar is 1. Output is 1. When the input is 1 0, 1 dot 0 is 0. 0 the whole bar is equal to 1. So the output is 1. Y is equal to 1 dot 1 the whole bar. 1 dot 1 is 1. 1 bar is equal to 0. Okay. So this is the truth table of NAND gate. Okay. So what is the symbol for NAND gate? This is a symbol A dot B the whole bar is expression and this one is the truth table. Okay, coming to the NOT function. NOT function is a single input NOT gate is drawn. If the input is A, the output of NOT gate is A bar. So what is the Boolean expression for NOT gate? Y is equal to A bar. Okay. Now how this NAND gate can be used as a NOT function? Suppose this is a NAND gate. A NAND gate is having two inputs. When you combine them and make a single input gate, it becomes a NOT gate. Let us say this single input be X, output be Y. So what we have done to this NAND gate? The inputs are combined to form a single input gate. Okay. So, what will be y? Y will be x bar. To understand more clearly about it, let us take this input as A. For a NAND gate, the input variables inputs are A and B, which are combined. So, let us say the inputs are A and B and write its truth table. The input is A and B. So, what will be output here? A, B, the whole bar. Yes, what is y? Y is equal to A, B whole bar. What is A and B? Both are x, same x is coming to A as well as to B. So, x dot x the whole bar. What is x dot x the whole bar? X bar. So, y is coming as x bar. So, when both the input terminals of the NAND gate are connected together to form a single input gate, it forms a NOT function. Let us understand with the truth table now. A and B, the output here is A dot B the whole bar. Two inputs are there, so 4 combinations 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So, 0 dot 0 is 0, 0 bar is 1, 0 dot 1 is 0, 0 bar is 1, 1 dot 0 is 0, 0 bar is 1, 1 dot 1, 1 dot 1 is 1 bar is 0. Okay. So, this is a NOT function using NAND gate. NOT function using NAND gate. Okay. Now, let us see how this NAND gate can be used for AND function. Sometimes we say it as function and sometimes as use the term gate. So, the AND gate symbol you are knowing. AND gate symbol is this one. The input terminals are A and B and the output is Y. The output of AND gate is A dot B. We want to get this function Y is equal to A dot B. What is the given gate to us? NAND gate is given. This is the NAND gate given to us. The input is A and B. So, to get the output here is A dot B the whole bar. To remove this bar sign, I have to place one NOT gate. By placing the NOT gate, what happens? We will get the output A dot B. So, what is A dot B? This is an AND gate. So, by using a NAND gate, how can we get a AND gate function? So, how can we draw it? So, first to take NAND gate, replace this NOT gate by a NAND gate. So, when we join both the terminals of the NAND gate, it becomes a NOT gate. So, this is how we design an AND gate using NAND gate. So, our output will be A dot B. So, here we are getting A dot B whole bar. So, using NAND gate, we got the expression for an AND gate. Okay. Next one is, how can we use this NAND gate for OR function? The third basic gate is OR gate, OR function. What is OR function? How we draw an OR function? Like this. Let the input be A and B, output is Y. The expression for OR gate or OR function is A plus B. So, we need to get the expression A plus B using NAND gate. So first draw the NAND gate symbol. So before drawing it, let us simplify it further. Y is equal to, we want to get the expression y is equal to a plus b. Okay, let us double complement it. If we do a double bar, we will get a. Similarly, we can do b double bar. Okay, and then b double bar is equal to b, and then apply De Morgan's law, that is a bar dot b bar the whole bar. This is by De Morgan's theorem. Okay, so what I have to do first now, we want to get a bar and b bar, and then complete bar. So a bar, how can we get a bar? So it can be let us do it by a NOT gate. So by giving a, we will get a bar. How can we get b bar? By using another NOT gate. So if input is b, the output of NOT gate will be b bar. Now what we have to do to this a bar b bar? We have to give it to a NOT gate. A bar b bar is given to a NAND gate. Okay, so from this expression we have drawn this diagram. A bar b bar we got, and then given it to NAND gate. So what we are getting here, a bar dot b bar the whole bar. What is this a bar dot b bar the whole bar? Is equal to a plus b, which is an OR function. So but we have to use only NAND gates. So replace this NOT gates now. Replace the NOT gate by NAND gates. So NAND gate means the inputs are joined. A, B. So coming to this A, we will get here a bar, and B is giving us b bar when passed through this NAND gate, and then finally given to a NAND gate. So here what we are getting, a bar dot b bar the whole bar, which is equal to a plus b. Okay, so what is this diagram for? NOR gate, NOR function. Okay, so using NAND gate we can get the OR gate function. Next one is NOR function. How can we get NOR function? Let us first see the symbol of NOR gate, NOR function. A and B are the inputs. Let Y be the output variable. So the output expression or the expression for NOR is A plus B whole bar. Okay. So here we got OR function. If you will put one NOT gate to it, it will become NOR. Okay. So what we can do? We have already drawn here. A bar, B bar, we will get A bar, B bar, and then given to a NAND gate to get A plus B. This is an OR gate which we have already seen it here. Now to get bar to it, we put a NOT gate, that is A plus B the whole bar we get. So which can be written as, which can be drawn as A bar, B bar, this is A, we will get A bar here, B will get come as B bar given to a NAND gate. and then given to a NOT gate. NOT gate means both the input terminals are combined. So here we will get a plus b the whole bar. In this way we can draw the NOR functions. So in this class what we have understood is how the NAND gate or NAND function can be used for basic gates. What are the basic gates? NOT function, AND OR. These are the basic functions, and then we have designed NOR function also. Okay. So what is the NAND gate symbol? Coming to the summary of the class, NAND gate symbol A B, output will be A dot B the whole bar, NAND gate symbol. Now we want to get a NOT gate, so combine both the terminals of NAND gate. We will get X bar. This is NOT gate. Coming to AND gate. For designing AND gate, so to a NAND gate, if we place a NOT gate, we will get A B. Here we are getting A dot B the whole bar. If want to remove this complement or bar, we have to give it to NOT gate, so it becomes A dot B. So this is an AND gate. Coming to the fourth diagram, what we have done? OR function. OR function means A bar, B bar, given it to a NAND gate, A B, so it will come as A plus B, OR function. Fifth one, what we have seen? NOR function. NOR function means A bar, B bar, given it to a NAND gate and then given it to a NOT gate to get A plus B the whole bar. Okay. So in this class we have seen the NAND gate and then NOT gate, how the NAND gate can be used as a NOT gate, how the NAND gate can be used as an AND gate or AND function, NAND gate as an OR function, and then how NAND gate can be used as a NOR function. I hope you have understood the class. Thank you. If you have any queries, you can post in the comment section. Good luck, students.